So, how have you been lately?
Nothing new. What about you?
Abby, if you were an apple, you'd be delicious.
I don't really like apples.
Yeah, no, this doesn't work for me. Okay, first off, stop with that pickup line. That's just terrible. Second, this is fire. These
But
napkins,
it's just
no! These napkins are flammable! That's dangerous!
No, it's just flame. Don't worry about it.
But if this building catches on fire, is it just flame? No. It's major incident. You're gonna go to jail if you catch this building on fire. Do you understand that? Do you understand the consequences of this? I don't see why people think this is a good
Honestly,
idea.
it's just a...
Shh. Only you can prevent wildfires. It's okay. I forgive you. Give me this.